we want to thank God for what has happened today. It has been a very long journey, a journey of about 6 years. And we thank God for. Also thank the judge for the way she was able to look at this and was able to determine the real issues and come to the conclusion she did. We really thank her for that. Speaking for ourselves, particularly for Jackie, we want to say that throughout the period, her conscience has been clear and the evidence has never at any time suggested that she was implicated. She was not at the scene, she didn't know her, she had no reason to want her dead, and in a way we really blame the prosecution for maintaining and insisting on this case when it had no basis. Having come this far, we want to thank God for this victory. Leave it there as we consult on the way forward. I think that's all I wish to say for now. Probably the father can say one thing. Sorry, did you want to ask something?
Maybe, are you going to pursue
the question of what we will do after this is an issue we will consult on and decide what we will do. For now, we do not want to say anything on what we want to do.
Go read John 8:32, for you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Thank you.